Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to our computer class. In our previous class, we have started our fourth lesson, Computer Applications. The computer application programs is designed to provide the skills needed in the use of application software on a computer. We can do anything by using computer. In our previous class, we have learned computer applications in house, supermarket, office and hospitals. So, today we are going to discuss the rest of the lesson. Computer applications in bank, railway station and school. First, we are going to discuss about applications of computer in bank. In banks, computers are used for keeping account information of customer accounts. Banks use technology to carry out payments effectively and successfully. Computers help bankers to keep a record of and verify financial records much quicker. The main purpose of computer applications in a bank that to keep computers for maintaining accounts. Then the next one is applications of computer in railway station. Railways use computers to book tickets. They also use them to maintain train timings. When we go with our parents to book tickets, the clerk uses the computer to see if seats are available. Then he takes the money and issues your tickets. So in a railway station, they use computers for booking tickets and to give information about the train schedules. Next, we are going to discuss about the computer applications in schools. We all know that in this pandemic situation, the use of computer is very important. So, applications of computer in educational field that helps for storage of information, quick data processing, audiovisual aids in teaching, for better presentation of information, then it also helps for access to the internet. Here, computers in educational field that helps for quick communication between students, teachers and parents. Computer applications technology helps the learners to acquire computer skills that improve their performance when they enter to the institution. It can also help them to find job in companies that need people who are able to operate computers. In educational field, teachers use computers to record grades, calculate averages, manage attendance and access data on student performance in online programs and assessments. So computers have also made it easier for teachers to vary their instructional delivery. So computers are used actively in education to improve the quality and the learning outcome. Teachers can use audio, video and graphic aids through computers to prepare lesson plans. The use of computers that helps for multimedia presentations, and here it is very easy to deliver by the teachers. Multimedia presentations are interesting to view and hear, and sound visual effects that make lectures much emphatic. Computers will be helpful in educational field. Here the students are active listeners that make less boring for active engagement of the student. Mainly in schools, we use computers for teaching and for maintaining the records of the teachers and students. These are the important computer applications. Once again, we are going to discuss computer applications in different areas. Uses or computer applications at various places. A computer can do many kinds of work. That is why computers are used at different places for different purposes. We have already discussed computer applications in different areas. In home, supermarket, office, bank, railway station, hospitals and schools. Computer is an electronic machine that can perform various functions. So, computers are used in school for teaching, learning and for studying. So, computers in schools mainly used for the following purposes. So, dear students, all of you listen carefully. We use computers in school for teaching, learning and studying in lab, sending reports and circulars to students, keeping records of fees, and it also helpful for preparing the result, maintaining records of books in a library, and in schools it is also used for preparing question papers. So these are the important uses of computer or important applications of computer in school. The next one is computer application in offices. Here, computers is used for doing all kinds of office work. So, computers are used in offices for typing and printing documents. The important use of computers in offices are for typing and printing document, and it also used for keeping records of employees, and it also used for sending and receiving emails. These are the important use of computers in offices. Then the next one is computers in bank. It is used for withdrawing money from an ATM. The important use of or important application of computer in bank for withdrawing money from an ATM, and it is used for maintaining accounts of the customers and keeping record of money. Okay, these are the important application of computers in bank. Then the next important application of computers at home. Computers are used at home for playing game, watching movies, maintaining monthly expenses, listening to music. Then computers are also used for doing homework. Okay. So the important applications of computers at home are for playing game, for doing homework, watching movies, maintaining monthly expenses, and it also used for listening music. Then the important application of computers at a railway station and airport. Computers are used for reservation and cancellation of tickets, keeping records of arrival and departure of train and flight. Okay, here the computers are used for booking tickets and to give information about the train schedules. Then the next one is applications of computers in hospitals. Here the important use of computers are to keep records of the patients. Here computers are used for keeping the record of the patient, diagnosing the disease condition, and it also used for preparing medical report. So these are the important application of computers in hospitals. Okay, we use computers in a hospital for keeping record of patient, diagnosing the disease condition, and it also used for preparing medical reports. Then computer applications in supermarket. Here computers are used for monitor and control stock, and it is also used for perform sale analysis. And the main function of computer application in supermarkets for billing. These are the important computer applications in different areas. Here we use computers in house, supermarket, office, hospitals, bank, railway station and schools. So all of you try to understand the applications of computers in different areas and how computers are useful in these areas. Okay children, now we finished our fourth lesson. Today I give you one homework for you. All of you do the textbook based exercises in page number 31 and 32. Okay, send your image to my personal number before 9:30. Okay children, see you next class. Thank you.